Hello and welcome to this IFB dishwasher demo video. This video will help you with the prerequisites before buying an IFB dishwasher. 1. Make sure your overhead tank is placed above 12 feet or more from your dishwasher, which maintains the water pressure above 0.3 bars. 2. The water hardness level in your area should be less than 800 ppm. This can be measured with a TDS meter for less than Rs 400. An external water softener is required for water hardness above 800 ppm. 3. A 16 amp socket with a 16 MCB is a must. 4. You will require a gate valve connected to a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch reducer for no water leakage. You will require a local plumber to get this job done. 5. It is recommended to install the dishwasher near the wash basin area in the kitchen. The drain should be near the dishwasher. Never use extension drain pipes for a dishwasher. Improper drainage installation of the pipe will lead to an error warning in the dishwasher. The drain pipe should be of minimum 0.5 meter height and 2-inch diameter. Do not conceal the drain pipe. Make sure the drain pipe is in a U shape. 6. Dishwasher detergents, rinse aid and salt should be ready to run the first cycle. Make sure these prerequisites are checked before buying an IFB dishwasher.